Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to play on the piano a beautiful composition of Johannes Brahms, which is called the Lullaby. It is not difficult and it's really beautiful, so I hope you will learn it soon. First I will show you how it sounds with both hands, and then part by part the right hand, the left hand and both hands together. So that's how it sounds. Okay, so that was the lullaby. I will present you part by part the right hand, the left hand and both hands together. Let's start with the right hand. We start on B with the second finger twice, then the fourth on D, and we repeat it. Then the first on D, the first on B, the second on D, the fifth on G, the fourth on F sharp. Then we have E with the third twice, and D with the second. Let me stop here. I will repeat it. So. And the left hand for this part is the fifth on G, the third on B, and the first on D. And in this composition you normally keep the fifth finger, that is the first note of each measure, longer during whole measure. So in this case we keep G and we play B and D. And the next measure is exactly the same. And one more measure is exactly the same. So 3 times like this. And then we have the fifth on F sharp, and we keep it. C with the second and D with the first. Okay, so just practice the left hand and I will play together. Continue. Practice yourself, and I will continue with the right hand. we play the first on A, the second on B, the third on C, the first on A, and similar figure A, B, C. Then we have A with the first, C with the second, F sharp with the fourth, E with the third, D with the second, F sharp with the fourth, and G with the fifth. I will repeat this second part. Okay, and the left hand for this part is, we were just playing D for the left hand, and then we play exactly the same measure, so F sharp with the fifth, C with the second, and D with the first. Then we have D with the fifth, F sharp with the third, A with the first, and similar we have D with the fifth, F sharp with the third, but this time we play C with the first. And then three notes as at the beginning, so G, B, and D. So the left hand for this part, I will repeat it. We were playing like this before, and D, and the same measure, F sharp, C, D, D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, C, G, B, and D. Okay, so both hands, starting from the end of the fourth measure. We'll play that like this. G twice with the first finger and upper G with the fifth. Then E with the third, C with the first, and D with the fourth. Then we have B with the second, G with the first, and C with the third, D with the fourth, E with the fifth. And then we play B with the second and D with the fourth. I will repeat it, this last part. And I will continue because it's exactly the same as before. We play G twice with the first finger and upper G with the fifth. Then we play also exactly as the same E and C and D. Exactly the same as before, B and G. And then it will be just a different ending. So now it will be something new, one measure which is new, the fourth on C. Then we have the fifth on D, the fourth on C, and one after the other, B with the third, A with the second, and G with the first. All right, so let me repeat this last part, the right hand. And now very similar part. So here it's exactly the same as before. Only the ending will be different. So from this moment, okay, so the right hand is already finished. I will show you the left hand. So here we had D in the left hand, then we were having G with the fifth, C with the second, E with the first, then 3 notes from the first measure that you know, so this is G, B and D. Now it will be a bit more different, but more difficult because we play D and A together. So D with the fifth and A with the second. We play B with the first, C with the second, and if it's difficult to keep D, just press D, C only, and then it will be easier. Then we'll be playing G with the fifth, B with the third, and F with the first, then G with the fifth, C with the second, E with the first, G with the fifth, B with the third, and D with the first, and then almost the last measure is D with the fifth, F sharp with the third, C with the first, and the chord G and B. So G with the fourth and B with the second finger. I think I will just repeat the left hand and then both hands together. For this last part, the left hand is like this. Then the chord. So both hands for this part. So that's whole composition. Only in the final playing, you will be playing this part twice. I suggest to play it more quiet for the second time. I will just show you how it sounds with the repetition, very, very slowly. Here we will repeat, so we count it like part of the measure, and we start from the beginning, more quiet this time. So that was the Lullaby of Johannes Brahms. I hope that it was easy for you and that you will learn it very quickly. Thank you very much.